To align your IP strategy with your overall business strategy, it's important to keep the overall business mission in mind as IP lawyers, as well as the commercial objective in any particular IP transaction or dispute. And we do this by really listening to our clients and knowing the right questions to ask at the right times. We understand our clients' missions, business strategies, and values, and this needs to feed into our strategies for protection, commercialization, and enforcement of your IP and match them to the long-term plans of the business. There may be certain lines of products or sub-brands that are more revenue generating, more reputationally valuable, and we understand this and keep this in mind when advising on strategy, prioritizing those most important and valuable IP assets for you. A business may have invested a significant amount in its IP, and we help them turn that into a revenue-generating asset, maintaining the protection whilst commercializing. They recoup their investment and bring profit in through their IP asset because licensing can be a lucrative and less risky way to enter new markets. When advising on disputes, we don't simply take the same blanket or standard approach with all infringers. Each approach needs to be tailored to the client's objectives and plans for that part of the business and the specific infringer as well, so that the client can obtain the most cost-effective results in any dispute matter relating to their IP. In some disputes, it may even be important to think about the PR that any particular strategy or action will generate, particularly in the case of bigger brands and businesses that may get a lot of press. This needs to be balanced against the commercial objectives of the client in that particular dispute, but it must be kept in mind. We also help clients audit their IP. This allows us to take a deep dive into their portfolio and provides the client with a full overview of the strengths and weaknesses of their IP portfolio. Following this, in discussion with the client, we're able to organize and tailor the portfolio to further match the business's long-term plans and maximize the value of those IP assets. My name is Lakmal, and I am a partner in the intellectual property team at Edwin Co. I assist clients with protecting, commercializing, and enforcing their intellectual property, making sure they make the most of the most valuable assets nowadays in their business, and making sure that their market share is protected in instances when others might seek to profit from their hard work.